guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Kamika, aka Mommy Mika, and today we're going to get into Just for Kira contact lenses. Now, I don't wear contacts as much as I used to. When I was younger, I used to wear a lot of different colors, grays, greens, and it was prescripted. So when they reached out to me, I was like, maybe I could switch it up, do different styles. So I chose 4 different styles. And we're just gonna get right into it and try it. It does come with instructions, and it did say to soak it at least 6 to 8 hours ahead of time before you put the contacts in. I've seen other videos, people just open the package and put it in, but you have to soak it for at least 6 to 8 hours. And it does come in like little cases. I already opened everything because I wanted everything to soak before I try it on. They come like this, and it comes with everything that you need in order to apply it. So it comes with the little tweezers, a little thing to put it in, and the little case. All you need to do is get a soft lens contact solution, a multi-purpose solution, and you're good to go. And I got mine from Walgreens, and it was just like a couple of dollars. It wasn't too expensive. Okay, so we're just gonna go right in. So this color right here is, let me see, these are 1 year. You could wear them for 1 year contacts. They're soft lens contacts. It does come with the application, the little notification, the little manual, or whatever you want to call it, instructions, little instructions to tell you exactly if you never put contacts on for the first time. For me, I've put contacts on multiple times before. This is called Neil. So we're just gonna go in. Make sure your hands is clean. Make sure everything is sanitized. You do not want to mess around with your eyes when you're doing this. So I'm just gonna use the little tweezers that it comes in, and I'm just gonna apply. Like, I hold it like a little cup. You're not necessarily supposed to have makeup on when you do this. It's a little scary, but this is cool. So this is how it looks. Let me do the other side. If you guys hear, it's hot here in New York, so it's the AC running. If you guys hear that weird noise. Ooh, very cattish. These are fun to wear. Would I wear this every day? No. These are a little dramatic because I'm a darker complexion. But yeah, these are called the nails. So the next one is the SL29 brown. And these are the 1 year contacts. This is how it looks compared to my natural eye. Okay, these are not bad. These are a little more wearable for me. So these are the brown. So the next is the hazel, Sita hazel. So here's the Sita hazel. So there you go. So all the details are going to be in the description box. And then I have the crystal brown. And to note, none of these are prescripted. You can put your prescription in. These contacts are FDA approved, so you guys just know. Yeah, I like these the most. These are the brown. the difference. So here's the brown. See, I am tearing up a little bit. That's why you're supposed to do this before you put makeup on. But here's the brown. I like this one. This one I might wear out. So this is the brown. The crystal brown. Yeah, this I'm feeling. I will wear these out. These are pretty. So yeah, this was a quick little video, little reaction to these contacts. I really feel myself in this one. These are cute. I really like these. So if you guys like these colored contacts, they're having a promo, and all the promo will be in the description box. You buy 2 get 1 free, buy 3 get 2 free, and then buy 4 get 3 free. So if you guys like these, I really love this one, the crystal brown. These are the really nice ones. I'm really feeling this one. Yeah. These are really pretty. I'm gonna be pulling these out, especially with a nice smoky look. This is gonna be looking really nice. But yeah, so yeah, so once again, the hazel, the brown, the Neil Cocoa, and the brown, all you need is contact solution. I got my contact solution yet again from Walgreens, and that's all you guys need. It comes with pretty much everything in it already. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, just like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys tried these contacts and if you guys like them. And also, if you guys have any other video recommendations, please comment below, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.